Hello, my name is Dewald Groenewald. I'm an experienced international educator with more than 13 years of teaching experience in China. I hold a master's degree in education along with TESOL and TEFL certification. During my career, I've worked not only as a classroom teacher, but also as a teacher trainer, a manager, and academic supervisor. I have supported both foreign and Chinese teams in helping develop positive and professional learning environments. I have extensive experience delivering international curricula, including Cambridge, Oxford, Pearson's, Wonders, National Geographic, EYFS, STEM programs, and IELTS preparation courses. My teaching approaches focus on student environment, clear classroom management, and adapting lessons to support difficult learning abilities. I enjoy creating interactive and structured classroom environments where students feel confident, positive to participate, and develop their English communication skills. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with your school.